Converting from an open cell system to a closed cell culture system streamlines your process while reducing the risk of contamination. Using pre-assembled threaded caps with attached tubing and MPC or aseptic connectors, liquid handling can take place in the biosafety cabinet or even on a cart or bench. Connect the culture vessel to the media source, such as a roller bottle. Using positive pressure, transfer liquid media from the roller bottle into the culture vessel. Once you've transferred the liquid, disconnect from the media vessel and equilibrate before moving to the incubator. Corning CellSTACK vessels are also available in pre-assembled closed system configurations. This can help simplify your process, especially if you plan to use multiple cell stacks. Be sure to make your aseptic connection to the media supply inside the biosafety cabinet before filling the vessel. Once filled and equilibrated, the CellSTACK vessel can be aseptically disconnected. Using pre-assembled closed system CellSTACK vessels can save you time when filling multiple vessels. Once one vessel is filled and equilibrated, you can quickly move to the next CellSTACK vessel. Using a pre-assembled closed system Corning CellSTACK vessel with aseptic connectors, the liquid handling process can be completed entirely outside a biosafety cabinet.